Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is the gift I got my husband a few days before we had our baby. It says Daddy Shark on it, and it is so adorable. We all know the famous Baby Shark song, and I just thought that this would be such a cute gift for a new dad. And I love that the design is on both sides of the mug, so either way you hold it, you can see it. I love the waves also. It goes with the whole theme, and it's nice and subtle. It's not too much. The blue color is so cute, and I love how it has a big capacity, 16 ounces. So you can fit a nice cup of coffee in there and not have it spilling over. So my husband loves it. It was a great gift idea. He uses it every single day. So if you're in the market for a really cute gift for a new father, definitely check out this mug. It is so adorable. They're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.